tell us about your foundation, Keep On Pushing.
Oh, yeah. So, I grew up in Olympic Gardens, believe it or not, Kelly. It's not one of the places you should go hang out in if you go to Jamaica by yourself. You shouldn't do that. But it was a rough neighborhood, and my foundation, the Keep On Pushing Foundation, supports a breakfast program at my old elementary school, a school supplies program. We just built a sick bay. It's kind of a nurse's station. And we're in the process of developing a computer lab at the school as well that we will obviously use for instructions for the kids in the school, but it will double as a digital academy to provide training for young people in the surrounding communities. And the long-term vision is to grow that work beyond my community across Jamaica into the rest of the Caribbean and South and Central America. So we keep on pushing.
That's amazing. And you're providing so much opportunity with the computer labs. That's amazing. All that opportunity comes from just being able to be online, and having that technology is so important. So,
yeah.
well, thank you so much, Devon.